Feel me? Yeah, man, we about to let Lucy out right now. What's happening, Lucy? What's happening? Yeah. You see, we got these little dudes over here. Talking about I didn't do none of that. You know what I mean? I ain't do none of that. I did my own thing. I came home, man, and got it together, man. You know, everybody was like, yeah, man, we waiting on your arrival, man. We waiting on your arrival. But guess what happened when I arrived? Nothing. There's nothing that we can't be. We could play any sports. We could be any profession. Come on, Lucy. So, you know, come on, we got to go pee. Everybody about $50 a day, man. You'll be rolling. Shout it out on the Nissan Spec. Got these dogs everywhere, man. Come here. Come here.